Thanks everyone for coming tonight. We're here to celebrate the launch of an app. We interviewed like hundreds of people across the nation about going solar, and we found that there's really a big interest in going solar, but a lot of people really don't know how to take that first step. We found that they're like, what is this technology? Like, how do I save money? Like, how do I finance a solar installation? And so we launched this app to begin to address that problem.
What we want to do is connect you with the top installers in the area so that we vet them for you. You don't really have to think too much about it. The quotes that you're going to be getting are going to be quality. The installers are going to be quality installers. They're going to do a good job.
We leverage that technology to create an assessment of your home to tell you how much you're going to save, which is the primary reason that people go solar. Like, who doesn't want to save money? You know, we really think this is going to revolutionize the way people go solar and the solar industry, making this really easy for people to go through that process. We appreciate you joining us on this journey of launching the app and changing the world. So with that, cheers, and thanks for coming.